Hi, I'm Reich with Magura. Maguro's been around. We're celebrating our 125th anniversary this year. We were founded in 1893. We make anything that connects man to machine. This is our HYMIC. This is our #1 selling product. HYMIC stands for hydraulic from mechanical. This system converts a cable clutch to a full hydraulic system. The benefits of that are up to 25% less clutch pull. It's different on every bike. The other benefits are zero maintenance. It uses mineral fluid, so you don't have to change out the fluid. Basically, it self-adjusts itself for clutch wear, so as you ride, the clutch gets hot and cold, it self-adjusts for itself. Retail is $299 on these units. This is the old 307 throttle that's been out since the 70s. It's called a Trapdoor Throttle. Basically, you can change your throttle cable by just popping the end off here. And you can basically change your cable without taking the throttle assembly apart. These have been around for over 30 years, very popular with the custom builders and a lot of guys restoring some of the old bikes. We also have the HC3 master cylinder. This master cylinder is top of the line, basically a CNC construction with titanium hardware. We're using a new seal system that reduces the friction. So the advantage point of this is there's no friction. You're actually feeling the actual contact patch of your pads on your rotor. Basically, we have a 3-way adjustable piston as well, so it mimics 3 sizes of piston. The bigger the piston, the less travel you have in your lever, the less power you have. You can click it to the next smaller, you'll have more lever travel and more power. So this system is infinitely tunable to the rider and the condition. We offer this in gold, and then we also have the new HC3 black. We have the HC1, which is the same technology in the internal, so the same level of performance in a cast and forged body. This retails for about $289 for the kit. This retails for $699. It does not have the 3-way adjustable piston, but the same level of performance, same internals. This is the Maguro 225 Master. This is a period correct master for bikes ranging from the 60s to the 80s. A lot of times when you rebuild an old master cylinder, you're paying for the seal kit. Oftentimes you rebuild it and you'll find the bores pitted, so you've spent a lot of money on something that won't function. This is a brand new unit. Cost range is $105 to $125. It's period correct. It works every bit as good as a brand new master, and it has the look of the old, the old school masters. Okay, these are the old Dogleg 73, 74 sport levers. Magura invented the Dogleg lever back in the early 70s. We still make these. They're still high quality units. These were OEM on a lot of European factory bikes. Retail, I believe, is about $40 for these, because it's about the highest quality you can get for an old school cable-driven lever. If you have any questions, contact Magura USA. You can go on our website, magura.com, or contact Dime City Cycles.